Hello guys, greeting you all and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. I am John Best FS, okay? Alright, I'm here to show you an exciting strategy for VIX75, okay? This one we are talking about how we can trade VIX75 successful, alright? So this one I am showing you here is such a powerful strategy that would earn you a massive profit in your trading, okay? So what you are going to be doing here is to sit back and apply whatsoever you're going to be watching out here in this video. Please, I always say to you guys, if you're trading, you always need to apply patience. Patience is key, okay? Once you're patient enough to wait for the market to come to your area of interest, one is going to give you a good entry. Again, trust me, that trade you waited for that long will be a success. Okay. So now, before I go further on that note, to show you what I'm about to show you in this video, I want to appeal to you as always. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and turn up your notifications for more of my videos, please. I do all of this because I actually want you to win. I actually want you to trade successfully and win in your trading. Okay, that's why I drop this good strategy that you can apply and win. All right. So please, I also want to say thank you to every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, and you that is about to subscribe, I want to say thank you too. Okay. Please, there are other packages on ground here. We'll have the mentorship package. We'll have the VIP package, we'll have the account management package, and the free Telegram link package is there too. So how do you join all of these? Please, it is necessary you know all of this. You have the idea, you know how to trade, okay? So you don't just sit back somewhere and depend on people to trade and manage accounts for you, okay? So if you are interested to join the mentorship, you can contact me for mentorship. I will personally do that myself. I will mentor you myself, okay? And if you want your account to be managed too, and then the profit will be shared 50-50 daily, you can as well contact me too. I will personally manage your account too for that too. And again, if you want to join the VIP group, where good signals, well analyzed signals are dropped daily, at least we sure of dropping 3 signals there, so you can join and also win just like every one of them that is in there winning too, okay? You can join the VIP group. If you're interested, you can join. And again, if you want to join the free Telegram link, you can join too, all right, and see what is happening there too. Please, how do you join all of this? Is by, while seeing this video, you check out the description of this video. You are going to be seeing my WhatsApp link, my Telegram link, so you can contact me directly. You can talk about how you can go about it and join, okay? And again, if you are seeing this video and there's area you don't follow up, you don't understand, you can comment so we can correct that too. I can correct that too for you, okay? So please, all of that you can join. So let me know what's post of your time. Let's now talk about why we are here, okay? Here you can see on my screen I'm trading V75, and the time frame we are going to be using with this one is a 1 hour time frame. That's what we're going to be using here, okay? And this trade, you are going to be holding this trade for a long time. So that's why you need to apply the smallest lot size. You need to use the smallest lot size so that in case there is any retracement, you do not affect your account. All right. So you have to use the smallest lot size for this one. Okay. And again, start this with your demo account. Once you are good to go, you can switch to your real account, your live account. But try this out with your demo account. Trust me, I know what I'm dropping here is a winning strategy I'm dropping here. I don't just drop strategy. Of course, you guys know I drop strategy that earn you profit. That's what I do because I use them myself too. So all right, you can see here I'm trading the 75. Like I've said that already. So the next I'm going to be doing is to delete all of these indicators out. So I'll delete this out so you can see how they are being placed, and you can follow up and do it yourself too. All right. So now sorry guys. So now see here, the first indicator I'll be placing here is the moving average. Okay, these are the parameters I am using. Okay, I'm using period 40 and shift is 0, and a method is simple and apply to close. The styles I'm using PC4 because I want my line to be bold. I want you guys to see the line, okay, clearly. And the color here I'm using is color blue, alright? So I'm done with this phase now, and if you are following up, your chart should look this way. So you see this chart is this way now, alright? My chart is this way now. So I am still going to add more indicators, and this time the indicator I'm going to be adding now is the MACD, alright? The MACD. These are the parameters, okay? I have this fast EMA 12, I have this slow EMA 26, I have this MACD XMA 9, I have applied to close, and the styles I'm using here, and the main I'm using color green and PC4, alright? And the signal I'm using color red with PC4 too. So I am done with this. I have nothing to do with level here, so I'm done with this too. So my screen should look this way now, alright? So the next indicator I will be adding here, that will go with the main chart, okay? You go to the main chart, you look for your stochastic oscillator. This is it. So these are the parameters I am adding here. So I have this percent K period 1, percent D period 1, I have this flowing 1, I have price view, close and close, and method is potential. The styles I'm using is color white because of my background, alright? And these are the level I'm going to be using with this one. I'm using level 20 and 50 and 80, so I am done with this. So if you are following up, these are your screen should look like. Please do follow up whatever you are saying here, alright? So the last indicator, but not the least, I'm going to be adding here is a that will go with the indicator window 2, alright? So it's the envelopes. It's the envelopes. So these are the parameters. The period is 14 and shift is 0 and deviation is 0.100. A method is simple and apply to close. The styles, the upper band is color blue I'm using, and the lower band is color red I'm using, alright? So I have nothing to do with level here. So I'm done with this phase. So my setting is now complete. So now what is now left is knowing when to buy and when to sell, okay? Alright, please let me say this again. You are going to hold this trade for a long time. Sometimes, so you need to use the smaller lot size on this. In case there's any retracement, it will not affect your account, alright? So, but I can assure you that I am giving out a powerful structure, an excited structure that will earn you massive profit if you're trading with this. Okay. So so I am done with this now. So let me also say this. Let me also appeal to you one more time. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, please. And the mentorship class is open, and the account management is also there for you, and the VIP group is there for you. Anyone you want to join, you can contact me. Okay. So now this is what we will do. So the first condition we should be looking out for is this. Things like this, okay? It is like this. Let me highlight them so you can see this how it works. Okay, you have to wait for this things to happen. This is our window 2. Okay, this is our window 2. This is our window 2. So we have to see this. Get to this level. All right. We have to see this. We have to see this. The envelope in our window 2 got to this level 80. All right. So once we get there, the next we are going to be watching out for here is to see our margin, fall below zero level, just like what we have here, fall below level zero level. All right. This is the second condition we're looking at for, and then the third condition is to see this. This bearish candlestick. That's what we are selling. The bearish candlestick should move below this moving average. I mean the blue line across my chart. Okay, let the bearish candle move below, and then we can enter a trade from here, and then you can see all of this happen. Imagine how much profit you're going to be making out all the way from here. All the way from here now, where you enter this trade from. So you enter this trade from here now, and you see it went all down. So it gives you massive profits here. So here now, it's the same thing we are talking about. So if you want to sell now, if we are to sell down, so this, wait for this to drop to this level 20. If we are to buy, wait for this to drop to this level 20, and then you see this margin fall below this, fall above the zero level. Then go ahead. This time it's not going to fall below, it's falling ahead of above the zero level here we have here. All right, and then you see this bullish candlestick cross when above this moving average that we have on our main chart here. All right, so you can see the market went all the way here, went up. So you can see, imagine how much profit you are going to be making out from this one. You can see the market went all the way up there. So again, let's see some more example how it works. So you can see here again too. You can see what we have here too. Look at this point. See, we got to this level at this window 2. We got to this level 80, and again we see this market fall below level, this below level 0, fall down again, and we'll see the bearish candlestick come below the moving average we have in our main chart, and you see the market went all the way down. Okay, and this is how we do it here. So if you are buying to this, how it gets to this point and went above the level 0, and you see it went all up here. So if I keep on backtesting this, it's going to be the same thing. So this is how it works here. So it's that smart and exciting strategy that will earn you massive profit. Okay, please, at this point, I am going to be saying goodbye, and I hope to see you in my next video, and I wish you success in this with this strategy. I wish you success in your trading, and please remember and stay away from trouble. All right, so bye for now.